Amazing, jaw-dropping. Good morning. So modern here at Mira Mesa High School. Let me step out of the way and show you what's happening. First of all, this is the grand opening of a brand new administrative building, student services. Look at the band. Good morning. The Matadors are ready to kick things off here on the campus. This is all about celebrating brand new facilities and classrooms. The band is ready to go at any moment. We are waiting for some district officials to come. We also have the cheerleaders here who are going to help get the school community energized. What an exciting moment, because we're talking about a multi-million-dollar project that's been done in phases, and today is the celebration along with members of the community, parents, staff. The builders are here as well, and there is a whole ceremony that is going to get underway. Principal Sabins is getting ready to say a few words. Some of the students who are here on campus taking video. Are you guys excited?
Yes! Yes!
Tell me about the new facility. What do you think so far?
I think it is amazing. I can't wait to have my classes in the new building.
So modern, right,
Yes.
you guys? Long time coming. 50 years old this campus is, and let me tell you, whenever you have something brand new, what that does to a school community, the confidence in students, it just gets them excited about being in school. So here we are live, just a little preview as we get things going here at the brand new Renovations, taking a look for the very first time. We've been covering what it's been looking like, because from the get-go, again, this campus has gone through some major upgrades, from campus security, again, to now new student service center, new classrooms, and this is definitely a good sign. Back out here live, Principal Sabins now at the podium, getting ready to say good morning and welcome everybody as they kick things off in celebration of the new facility. We'll have more coverage for you coming your way. Stick around.